late real estate broker. I have a listing actually active today. Hopefully some H's are here of potential buyers. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,800 square feet. The lot is over 10,722 square feet. Very big. Ample space for pool and future ADU for $980 in Lake Balboa. So if anybody's interested, please contact me. I have my cars or kitchens here, but it's coming on the market. It's going to be an open house this weekend. Do we have any agents here? I didn't hear who's here, but okay. So if somebody wants to come by and co-host it with me, they're welcome. I'm not trying to represent the buyer, so whoever wants to get a buyer for it. It needs some work in the kitchen, but they have a new roof, new HVAC, new electrical parts in some areas, new panel. So it has updates. It's livable. It's move-in ready. But if you want to get the new home modern one, yeah, you need the kitchen and the bathroom.
Okay.